Agikuigaga utana ni mituki nakio kiugo kia Ngai gikoiga muteithia wa muthini ni Ngai agwatagia gwatio. Miaria ironeka kuhimbirio na njira nene ni kambuni imwe ya ugitiri ya Trimo makirutira indo ciao iria nĩ irio na nguo na gutanahira ciana iria cikaraga muciĩ wa ciana wa Baraka mwena wa Kayole. Kuringana na murugamiriri wa kambuni ino Jane Mugo makinyukitie ikinya riri ari ta njira ya guteithiriria aria matehotete kuria makoretwo makinyitanira na muciĩ ucio kurunga ciana icio mitugo hamwe na kurimira taranda ciao.
Andu othe endia thiini wa bururi arataito ongikorwo no tuone nafasi kana mundu akorwo na kibeo Ngai amurathimite niwe guka gucokeria ciana cia Baraka thayo na kwira Ngai kira kiothe tubetwe the only way to kubata succeed utoro ni witu ni kuve back to the community.
They are able to see what is out there. They are able to know that they are not just limited in Baraka alone. There is so much out there for them. They are not here because they are less fortunate. They are not here because they are cursed, but they are here because circumstances made them made them be here. And as we come, give them the moral support, give them the spiritual support, we assure them that tomorrow will be better, tomorrow will be greater when we stand together.
Ikinya riri rikiamukirwo na ngatho nyingi ni mwambiriria wa muciĩ uyu Margaret Kimaro kuria orite abitha borithi kugacirithia ugitiri mwena wa Kayole niguo kurigiriria ciana kwĩingĩrania na ciĩko cia wĩkinaĩ na ningĩ kuria thirikari kuhe ciana cia ndigwa kandi ya urigitani ya NHIF niguo mahote kwamukagira urigitani ta andu aria angi.
Security ti njega thiini wa haha haria turi community wise security ni njuru muno na no tuhoe at least tukorwo tukiheo security no ndo wa gikundi gitagwo Gasa mostly haha area ro itu niho mari aingi muno na ici ciana it's at threat.
Muciĩ uyu ukoragwo na ciana 140 na andu a wendi mwega ni moritio kwiyumiria na kumateithiriria merugamie muturire-ini.
Every creation beamed with life. Birds sang in the air. Streams ran their length in music. The lake laughed in joy.